Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the Tunisian double crochet stitch. Now you can start by using any yarn of your choosing, and I'll also be using a 4.5mm Tunisian crochet hook for this tutorial. Now for the Tunisian double crochet, you can start with any number of stitches plus 1. In the case of this tutorial, I'm going to start with 10 chains plus 1, so that's 11. And we'll start by making a slip knot, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into making my 11 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now the Tunisian double crochet will not use the traditional foundation row that we typically do for Tunisian stitches. Instead, we're going to jump into doing our double crochets from the first row. Now we're going to start that by skipping our first 2 chains, so that's 1, 2. We're going to skip those 2, and in the third chain is where we're going to start our double crochet. So to do that, yarn over your hook. You're going to insert your hook inside the stitch and pull up a loop. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, almost like you're doing a regular double crochet, but we're not going to complete it. Now we're going to do that going across the row. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over your hook, insert it into the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now let's do that straight through to the end. Now in the end, we should have the same number of loops on our hook that we would have started with, minus 1. So in this case, I would have 10 loops on my hook. And I'm just going to go ahead and count just to make sure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the double crochet uses a standard return pass. So we're going to yarn over and chain 1. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that until we only have 1 loop remaining on our hook. Now our next row will be started by chaining 1, and then we're pretty much going to repeat the same pattern as before, where we're going to work our double crochets in these vertical bars going across the row. So let me demonstrate. So yarn over, insert your hook behind the first and pull up a loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. That's our first stitch. We're going to do that in each stitch going across the row. So yarn over, insert it behind the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert it behind the stitch like that, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do that in the remaining stitches. And for the last stitch here, we're not only going to work to the top of the stitch, so there, but in its corresponding back bar as well. That's going to give us a neat border stitch. So remember to yarn over going to insert our hook to the top as well as the back bars for that stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now chain 1, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 all the way through to the end. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that until we only have 1 loop remaining on our hook. Now the Tunisian double crochet, it's a 1 row repeat to do this until you're at your desired length. Now this is how the pattern looks on a larger sample. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!